Hello friends, welcome to Sunya IAS, and Sunya IAS is very happy to announce the crash course for Mains 2022 for your GS4 paper, that is your ethics paper. So friends, finally your wait is over. We are launching the ethics crash course for Mains 2022. Now this Mains crash course will have obviously the two parts, theory and case study, and as you know, that theory consists of around 120 to 130 marks, and same goes with the case study. So both your theory and your main case studies are very important, and we will be covering it both in such a way that you get good marks and good score for your ethics paper. Now, friends, as we know that ethics is a paper which has high utility, it gives you good marks if you do it properly with the proper strategy and in less amount of time. So this entire syllabus we will be completing in just 40 hours. In 40 hours, we'll be doing all your theories, your case studies, your previous year questions, answer writing practice with all the suitable things which are required for your ethics preparation. And believe me, it would be one of the best lectures with all the proper understanding. And if you have not even prepared ethics well, you are going to get good marks by these lectures because we will be directly focusing on marks enhancing. So, friends, the main trilogy is very important. This is what is the main trilogy, and essay, optional, and ethics. This forms your core. So, essay you might have done from Sunya IS crash course. Optional also you have would have prepared, but it is not very easy to get good score in optional. If you're not getting something around 280 in optional, then that's not a very good score. But you can manage your less score in other subjects if you have good score in ethics, because getting good score in ethics is very easy. 120 plus marks you can get if you have proper strategy with proper guidance. So this is very important if you want to score good and you want to come in top ranks. So how are we going to get that, and what's the problem? Let's look over to that. See, scoring less in ethics is very commonly seen. The reason is that ethics is a paper where we mainly focus on the rote learning. We don't understand the syllabus, we don't understand the aspects of the syllabus, and rote learning is not going to give you marks. UPSC is looking for candidates who have the understanding in practical aspect, because you have to deal when you are in your services, you have to deal with the practical aspects, and that is what should reflect in your answers as well. So, how is Sunya is going to help you? See, first of all, the features of the course are that we will be totally directed towards UPSC orientation. It will not be a course of any academic nature. It will be totally focused as UPSC, is asking the questions and all. And we will be starting the lectures with all the terminologies which are important for your UPSC examinations as far as ethics paper is concerned. So if you see to the syllabus, all your terminologies, they basically are very clearly given. They are very clearly given, and these are very important points, and you can collaborate all the terminologies and you can get good score. But how to get it? Not merely writing the terminology or explaining the meaning would give you good marks, but you have to substantiate them with proper diagrams and flowcharts. And I'll make sure that you have all the diagrams which are important for you as far as your terminologies are concerned and your keywords are concerned. So what will happen that if any question regarding values comes or behavior comes, so the flowchart will make you in a situation to start your answer from any term, and you can explain the whole question. We will be looking all those things in our classes, and we will be dealing with all these substantive examples, for example from Mahabharata, from Ramayana, from examples of famous personalities, then from example which are related to current affairs, then your good examples as far as your quotes are concerned. So we will be mentioning the important quotes which you can mention and get good marks. So all these things will focus upon. And then we will be looking over to the important examples of famous bureaucrats. So famous IAS and IPS officers, if their work has been tremendously helping the country. So all these examples we'll also take. Next important, very important part is your case studies. We have seen that case studies can fetch you good marks, but case studies are also having the same rectification sort of understanding, but we will not be dealing with this. For example, if we are going to mention about stakeholders, so I'll make sure that you divide the stakeholders into a pie chart diagram formation, And if any case holder is very important for the particular case, so we'll mention that in like this, like one, and we'll be mentioning it. Then the next important two, the least is we can say three, and then four. So this is how we will be bringing in, bringing in sort of a difference to our answers, and we will be trying to achieve good marks. And I assure you that 120 marks is something which you can get very easily if you follow the course, and if you follow the discussions what we are going to have. So thank you, friends. And as I was talking about ethics, so quoting it with an important quote, I just want to say you that don't think, just subscribe to the quote. The more you overthink is the less you will understand. This is said by Habib Kande, and this is not said by me. This is said by him. So I have given a good quote, and don't overthink for it. Just enroll to the course now. You can join our Telegram channel, and you can contact on this number if you want to know the details about the course. You can log on to sunyaIS.com, and I'll be definitely helping you to achieve good marks, and I'll be available to you over phone, over mail, whatsoever things are, and we'll make sure that you get good marks in paper ethics with the help of Sunya IS. So friends, don't wait, just join the course. Thank you and have a nice day.